Hello and welcome to my pool room. As advertised, beneath the assorted computers, indeed is a pool table. And despite all the years of having other things on top of it, it seems to have survived pretty well. I put an extra cover, or a bunch of things with covers, that made up a cover besides the cover, which is here. And I also put down some cardboard to make sure that none of the feet of any of the Commodore machines would hurt the felt. And it seems to have turned out pretty well. Question is, could I actually play a game right now? And the answer is no. Over here is pretty clear. Back here, not bad. Over here, that's where a lot of the stuff that was on the table has just gone. So, but it was important that I clear this off for inspiration. That yes, one day, somehow, some way, I will have this cleared off. I will get this room organized, and that also means getting rid of some stuff, including some of the great pile of disk drives. And yeah, I'll be able to play pool in here again. Is that going to happen anytime soon? Well, I would like to say yes, but I know the answer is no. But more and more, I'm going to try to be organized and have it so that there is not so much on here that it is not such an ordeal to get it cleared off. That is the plan. Because someday I would like to take this fine cube that is very straight and quite wonderful and play. And I thought maybe I could do that today. But there are limits. So for the moment, this fine cube will go back into the corner from which it came. The balls will go back. Back into the bucket. And the cover will return. But someday, when I am organized, I will play again. Anyway, thank you for coming. Maybe one day you could pop over for a game of pool. But not yet. The organization continues. Bye for now.